Hi everybody, and welcome to FIBO Group's tutorial on the Metatrader 4 platform. When you save a profile in Metatrader 4, you save the whole window, which is a bit different from saving a template, as this only saves the custom chart. To save a profile, come to the top of the Metatrader window and click File, and then click Profile, and then click Save As. You now need to enter a name for your new profile and click OK. To display the profile you have saved, come to the top of the window and click File and then choose Profiles, and we can come down and click the profile that you have just saved. That's all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next lesson.